दाखवायची. व्हॉट इज लाईक फ्रॅक्शन?
If the given fraction denominator are same, is called like fraction.
Okay, solve example. What is the example? 24 minus 3 minus 24 upon 3 minus 15 by upon 3. -15 अपॉन 3 घ्यायचं आहे फक्त. Answer 24 minus 15. What is your answer? 9 upon 3. Very good. And divide that number. 9 and 3 both are number divided na? Divide by 3. 3 3 is 9 and 3 1 is 3. So your answer is 3 upon 1. Very good. Okay. Prajit.